and I'm back with a brand new video. Today I will be pranking my boyfriend and I will be acting ghetto. You already see I got the long, extra long nails. I got my bun and my baby hairs all out. And I'm about to be acting ghetto. I'm about to prank Andrew and I'm about to be so ratchet. He's literally not gonna know what has gotten into me. Like, he's gonna be surprised. So y'all, just tune into this video. I'm about to just jump right in here. So I'm about to set up the cameras. I don't know where he's at, the bedroom, the bathroom, or outside. Right, so he's outside, and like, I'm gonna just act like I'm doing like a video or whatever, like, you know, like an Instagram video. So, and I'm gonna just start acting ratchet. Let's go. Yes, what's up? It's your girl. Yes. I'm out here living my best life. You already know. Yes. Hey, okay, yes,
No, brought the people in cup. Boom, babe. Easy, man.
I got some bloods when I'm crippin'.
Gang.
Brother.
Gang.
Bumbuckler, I choke my brother. Dog. My youth, what there?
Gang. Give me some of that.
Man, move from weed.
Let me have some of that.
Yeah, move from weed.
Oh, that look good.
Ease up.
I'm trying to get high.
Second smoke fresh around.
Woo! Hey. Woo!
There. Better one? Yeah, my day I go on easy. I'm going to link you, man. Hey, bossy. Brother, stop doing that shit. Brother. Stop being with the fuck, you know, brother, my head. Stop with the fuck. Yo, Alex, what you know, man? Can't buy with the fuck, you know, that. Just easy, man.
I'm so excited, man.
Look like you're high off or something, you know. You bring the pill from fine. Oh, no, man. You bring up my first. No, let's see over here. Boy, man. Yo, brother. Alright. Touch my brain. Just touch my brain. Let's see what I want. Move.
Ow.
I'm gonna
be acting crazy. This is not even a ghetto video. This is like I'm acting wild. I'm acting out of pocket. Like, he's right there, and I'm just acting crazy. Watch. Hey.
I just look when the snow coming in, it's already wind out here.
It's your girl. It's me. You know,
yeah.
I'm here, but it's like I'm not here. You know, it's like I'm here, but I'm not here. Massaging his head or whatever. Yeah, my little boot there.
Stop with it.
Nah,
Mate, yeah.
boot. Slime, you already know I'm about to just start smoking.
Yo, hold on.
Tutorial on how to smack. Yeah, you already know I'm here and I'm living big lifestyle.
My bro.
Yo.
Let me.
Alright then, bro.
Do you?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Fuck it up on me. Yeah, what about?
Smoking now. Smoking weed.
Alright then, bro. Bless.
You know, I smoke
Yes,
now.
sir.
I am a smoker.
You outside,
I
eh?
smoke a trees. Yeah.
Right.
No kissy. No kissy.
He's up off of me now.
Dana life for you, feel me? You know, Dana life for Alex. Yeah.
Yo,
For
you
me,
can't
I'm
second yourself, brother.
litty.
Second
Yeah,
number.
yeah. I'm here.
What
Yes,
you?
I'm living in paradise.
Yeah.
I'm living.
Yo,
Yes.
yo, want you. Like,
Nothing. So yes, I'm living and I'm free.
Yeah.
Me is free.
bad man.
Me,
Get up,
I'm
yo,
free.
hombre, my dog. Ease up, man.
Me,
Ease up, man.
free.
Ease up.
Yes,
I'm
I'm here. You wanna say
I don't want
to
to
the
say a thing.
camera? We're smoking that fine ganja.
Yo, she not
yes,
smoke a ganja, brother. She have something else for she have beer, so look for her.
Yes. Do you like our new place or no? What you want to say to the people them about the place? The place nice,
Yeah,
the place look
nice.
good.
Yo, the place good.
Girl,
Yes.
girl, the
Yes.
place look
No.
nice,
Hold on.
girl. The place look good, girl. Tell them the girl.
How the fuck is that?
Tell
Hold
them
on.
the girl.
Brother,
Tell
I
them
put
the
up them thing
girl.
yourself, brother.
Easy.
Come calm and girl.
Where you chat about Chargy? Chargy, that good?
Hombre, go turn off
Chargy,
the light.
that good, that good.
Turn off the light now.
I don't like no light, no then.
See the light there for
Anyways, that's not me have money. I can't pay for that. So girl, what you feel about the place? Bookie, what's living with you? What's happening, Bookie?
Good, man.
Bookie,
Yo,
you
bless up.
good?
Yeah, man.
You good? Yes, Bookie. You like my nails, Bookie? Bookie, you like my
Brother,
nails?
what the bum?
Bookie,
Brother,
Bookie.
Me ain't charge you with. Yo, men's we ain't. Buckle out here, the brother. Y'all are call somebody. Want you. Sick.
It's the weed, the Jamaican highlight.
No,
The weed. It's the weed. Yes, Bookie.
Brother, you joke out me. Yeah.
Bookie, tell them that you like my nails,
Yeah,
Bookie.
nails look good.
Bookie.
Them glow in the dark. Them long. You know what they are for.
Yes, Bookie, there's a smoke.
There's to grab that thing. Left the weed. Weed them.
Look at this kush. Me just want to show it on me act every day. I summer act. Yeah. I summer act. What it gwan? Yeah. What I gwan? Babes, stop now. Come. Goody girl. Good girl on Instagram, yeah. Not a L, but a one. The one good girl, yeah, dog. Yeah, eh. Women as a summer one. Women as a summer one. Women as a summer one. Women as a summer one.
Yeah, man.
Women as a summer one. Women as a summer one. Women as a summer one.
No, brother, serious thing that. He's right, yeah.
Women
Bite
as a
me in my
summer
face,
one.
brother. Everything like that.
Hey, yeah. So you
Stop,
already
brother.
know what I'm doing. Yes, it's lit. I'm lit. My man is here and he loves me. This is how I act on a natural day. This is how I act. This is how I act. Yes. And my one man give me good loving, eh?
Stop.
Yes.
If later I go now, she I slap her head back, you know. Look her.
Go on. Boo love when I act like this. Like he literally love it.
No.
Like I'm literally like in love that he loves me like this because it's like what he loves when I have my nails like this. My nails are super long. Like he loves it. I could just rub them.
Bumbo flat, dog. No, dog.
I'm sorry, boo.
Yeah.
What happened, boo?
Don't.
Bookie, what happened, Bookie?
Yeah, nah, stop.
Bookie, no, we're doing a day in the life. life. A day in the life. A day in the life. But come on, Bookie, stop. We're doing a day in the life. No, Bookie. Bookie, stop. I want me to say me gone. 1 minute to stomach one. 1 minute to stomach one. Okay, babe, don't know that I can just do this. Hold on, y'all.
Are you a robber?
Like, he don't know that I'm like really wild. Like, open the door, babe. 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 Okay, I'm done acting like this, babe. I'm done. Open. Fine, I'm done. Y'all, I'm done. He won't open the door, so I'm over it. But, y'all, that was me literally acting crazy. Crazy to Andrew. He did not like it. Obviously, he does not like when I act all ratchet and all crazy. But I hope y'all like this video because I did the most. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Your girl's gonna be back with a back bang videos very shortly. I need to just like edit all these videos and like give them to y'all because I know y'all waiting. But gosh. Like, I'm, like, really trying to open this door. Like, he's really not. Like, are you okay? So, it was a prank. It was a prank. It was a prank. You didn't like that prank? Ow. So, you didn't like the prank? You didn't like the prank? It was a prank. It was a prank. It was a prank. So, look in the camera and say, I got pranked. Look in the camera and say, y'all, Alex pranked me.
Oh, is that?
That's not a prank?
Oh.
How is it not a prank? I pranked you. I was acting crazy and ghetto and ratchet and just a lot. So tell them who team you on. Team who? Big Lexi. That's the team you on. You on Team Big Lexi. Tell them. Team Big who? Lexi. Team Big who? Lexi. Team Big who? Lexi. Never.
What's up?
Big Lexi. Y'all, tap into the next video. I'm about to go crazy. And you can never prank me. Never. Ever. Period. He could not prank me. And it's about to be a prank war. So just let them know.